Go. Go.
I'll wait for the light, don't I?
Okay, 500 feet, you're going hard right long, ditch on the exit. Hard right long, ditch on the exit. Stay hard right, yep, go. Good. Straight through into hard left. Hard left, tight. Good. Stay hard left, good. Easy left, carry through. Easy left, right, carry through. Easy left, short. Good. Left, short here. Good. Straight. Easy left, carry through. Straight, carry through. Carry through, hold easy left, carry through. Straight. Okay, we're going medium right, tightens. Medium right here. Tightens here. Good. Watch it downhill here. Downhill ditch here. Good. Hard left short. Good. Stay easy left long. Go. Okay, we're going medium right. Go medium right here. Carry through. Good. Okay. Hard left short. Okay, left short tightens into right short. Good. Stay in it. Good. Hard right short here. Good. Stay right. Stay easy right. Hold the right. Easy left short here. Good. Okay, we're going hard right short. Good. Medium left. Opens. Good. Straight. Easy right. Carry through. We're going hard 90 right. 500. Hard 90 right here. Good. Inside. Good. Go. Dips through here. Straight through him. Easy right short. Good. Stay on it. Go back and forth. Right. The long right. Left. Long left. Hard left long here. Down into long left. Good. Stay in it. Good.
Sorry.
You're good. Just stay in it. Yep. Good. All good. Okay, medium right short here. Hard 90 left. Here. Good. Straight up and over. Stay easy left, carry through. Good, straight through. Okay, here we're going medium left, tightens hard left here. Easy left up, tightens hard left here. Good, stay in it. Good. Okay, we're going hard 90 right off this road. Hard 90 right here. Good. Okay, we're going hard left long. Good. Hard right short, hard left short. Hard right short here. Good. Stay in it. Good. Okay, medium right short here. Okay, easy left over. Medium right. Dipped here. Good. Medium right. Good. Hard left here. Hard left here. Watch rocks on the exit. Good. Stay in it. Go. Good. Go. Okay, 500 feet. We're going hard 90 right. Hard 90 right here. Good. Stay in it. Good. Stay hard right. Yep. Good. Hard left here. Good. Stay in it.
Which way? Straight?
Good. Over. Stay left. Medium right here. Hard left here. Yep. Good. Perfect. Medium right here. Medium left here. Stay easy left and hard 90 right. Hard 90 right here. Good. Hard 90 left here. Hard 90 left here. Right up, stay through, good. Left. Right short, carry through. Right short to left short. Good. Take easy right, medium left short. Medium left short here. Good. There you go. Hard right short. Hard right short up. Okay, go medium left here. Medium left, like corner. Hard 90 right. Hard 90 right here. Hard left short. Good. Stay up, easy right. Stay easy right. Good. There, hard left, narrow. Corner. Hard left, hard left. Narrow. Narrow. Good. Hard 90 left. Watch the corner. Watch the bicycle. Good. Good. Left short to hard 90 right. Left short here to hard 90 right here. Hard left long. Stay hard left long. Good. Stay hard left long. Good. Easy right, easy left to hard 90 right. Left to hard 90 right. Yep. Good. Stay easy left out. Stay easy left out. Carry through. Right short to hard left. Go hard left to hard right. Hard left here. You're good. Hard right. Good. Good. Stay hard right. Stay hard right. Stay hard right. Straight through. Straight through. Stay right. Stay hard right. Good. Go medium left long. Stay medium left long. Hard right here. Hard right long. Easy left short. Medium left short. Hard left short. Hard left short here. Good. Right short. Left. Sorry. Good. Slow down. Slow. Nicely done.
Wasn't the end of the world, right?
Nicely done.
I felt good about that.
Dude, that was smooth.
Yeah.
One bicycle and you set it down perfect. No big deal.
Woo! I felt good, man.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
That was good.